Hello and welcome to the next video in the TTM for Jira series. By the end of this video, you will be able to create and link requirements in the TTM for Jira tool. Additionally, you will gain insights into using filters and understand the process of creating test cases. Within the TTM for Jira tool, any issue type, including the default requirement issue type in TTM, can be designated as a requirement. This includes issue types such as story, epic, or task. Now, let us first see how to create a requirement manually. In the TTM for Jira tool, you must first click on the New Requirement button in the Requirements tab. A pop-up appears to create the issue. Here, you can select the issue type from the list of options or keep it unchanged to the default issue type, which is requirement. In this case, we will be selecting story. After selecting the issue type, add a description in the summary box. Finally, click the Create button to create a new requirement in the Jira tool. And as you can see, the new requirement will be created in the Requirements tab. Alternatively, let's see how to import requirements from a different project. Click on the drop-down option on the New Requirement button and select Add Existing Issue as Requirement. You will get a pop-up to select the existing issue as a requirement. Enter the required issue name that needs to be linked. Here, we will be linking the issue named TES-1. Click on the Add button to confirm it. As you can see, we've created a requirement that was from a different project. Now in this section, we will see how to use the filters to narrow down the search for the desired requirement. To get the desired results using the filter, click on the Filters and JQL button in the Requirements tab. You can choose between Basic and JQL. When choosing the Basic filter, you can filter all the requirements that do not have test cases linked to them by clicking on the drop-down option on All Requirements and then selecting Requirements without tests. Requirements can also be filtered by multiple options such as Issue Type, Status, Reporter, and others. You can save the filters by clicking on the Save Filter button. To do so, enter the desired name of the filter. You can also mark the filter as private or public. Once done, click on the Confirm button. Your customized filter is now added and available to use in the Filters and JQL option. Now when you choose filter type as JQL, enter the required syntax in the Filter tab. For example, we will be using the following syntax: priority equals high and labels equals exchange options. Clicking on the Search button will list all the requirements based on the current filter on the screen. Again, you can save this filter for future usage. Lastly, in this section, we will explore how to create a test case manually and by utilizing AI. To create the test case manually, click on the drop-down menu of the desired requirement. Next, click on the plus icon to search for an existing test case or add a new test case. Click on Create Linked Test Case to add a new test case. In the following pop-up, enter the desired description in the summary box. Complete the process by clicking on the Create button. As you can see, this test case was created manually and is not linked to any of the requirements. Now, to create a test case using AI, click on the drop-down menu of the desired requirement. Next, click on the Generate Test Cases with AI button. To view the description of the requirement, you can expand the panel by clicking on the down icon under the requirement name. As the AI is writing, you can observe how the auto-follow feature transitions to the next subsequent test case upon the completion of the previous one. Now, if you want to edit test cases during the automatic generation process, you can disable auto-follow writing by either toggling the switch or by directly selecting any of the previous test cases. This allows you to edit a particular test case while not impacting the automatic generation of test cases in the background. You can reorder the steps or delete any steps within the test case. You can also reject or approve the test case as per your requirements. Following the modifications, you can either re-enable the auto-follow AI writing or maintain it in a disabled state, as this will not halt the generation of test cases. And finally, click the Create Test Cases button to create the test cases using AI. As you can see, all these test cases are automatically linked to the requirement. When you click on the View Issues option, it will automatically take you to the Test Design tab with JQL of all the created test cases and display them in the Test Design tab. And this brings us to the end of this video. And by now, you should be able to create and link requirements in the TTM for Jira tool, gain insights into using filters, and understand the process of creating test cases.